What is up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Dividend Grinder. It's Wednesday. It's November 14th. Got a little bit of a different video going for you today. So, anyone who watches my channel, anyone who follows it regularly, know that I do not bullshit. I am extremely transparent with everything about this portfolio and pretty much my viewpoints on dividend investing and other people as well. So, this first part of the video, consider it a humongous thank you. There are not a lot of people who are about to show you what I'm about to show you. And if you follow me on Instagram, which is just dividend_grinder, you'll know already what I'm about to reveal. So at the end of every video, I say, hey, if you're interested in M1 Finance, you can use the referral link down below. Well, ladies and gentlemen who watch this video and who have clicked on that link, you have no idea how thankful I am. So if we go to the activity section, look at today's funding, 170 bucks. So what did I do? Did I gamble again? No, I didn't. I just put in my normal 30. Where is that other 140? It's all referrals. Does it? I thought it actually said. Yeah, so if we go to deposits, look at all those adjustments. All those adjustments are simply credits. $20 this month if you're using it. I believe it was like the middle of October till the end of this month, the end of November. Look at all those referrals I get. So I'm about to show you how many referrals I've actually received. Because look, I'm all about transparency. This is the only way I make any kind of money currently through these YouTube videos. So if we go and refer and earn, give 20, get 20, invest in what you want for free. Try it Todd. Try it, Todd. Try it today, I get it. Okay, so there you go at the bottom of the screen. I'll zoom in for those looking at the mobile. 55 successful referrals. Guys, that is incredible. Just say it's at the $10 that it usually is for every other month. That's 550 bucks. Do you have any idea how grateful I am to receive $550 just from sharing my portfolio, doing pretty much nothing that spectacular? You guys are amazing, and I would just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for clicking on that link. You have no idea. You're fueling my dream of hopefully one day retiring early, using my dividend income just to live off of or to supplement most of my living expenses. Thank you so much. And, I always did debate, did I really want to show this? And, my whole channel is transparency. Here you go. I mean, it's the only way I can make money off YouTube. I don't get money off of ads yet. I'm hoping that one day I'll get there after being denied for the third time already. But this is the only way I get any kind of money and any kind of income. And look, I don't feel bad for it for two reasons. One, it's not like you guys are getting boned on this deal by clicking the link. You're getting free money. If you watch my channel and you say, hey, M1 Finance looks pretty cool, I'll sign up for it, you're getting the money too. It's not like I'm getting the 20 and you're not getting jack shit. You're getting the $20 as well. So I honestly don't feel bad giving out the link to anyone and everything. And second, I've said, how many times on this channel have I said this is my favorite investing platform? And then how many times on this channel have I bitched about the percentages? Have I bitched about something that M1 does weird? They're changing all the menus all the time and blah, 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 something that I don't like. I'm very genuine with all my opinions about M1 Finance and about my portfolio in general. I'm very transparent, and that's who I am. And, there's other YouTubers that, they try and dig you this education route, and then they just sell you whatever they have that is to sell at the end of, it's like they give these, Ryan Scribner, or whatever, Scribner, whatever his name is. He's a great example. Early on, I watched his early videos, and they're very educational. They are very helpful for new people, and then it just grinds that slow path of repetitive entrepreneurial videos. He tries to sell his course. He has a, quote-unquote free course that eventually goes into a paid course. And, he made a video, and this pisses me off, to be honest. He said M1 Finance is my favorite investing platform. Guys, he's an affiliate for M1 Finance, and that kind of stuff pisses me off. I don't know if he disclosed it. I just saw the video title. Right off the bat, you lose credibility. I don't care if you're an affiliate or not. I would love to be an affiliate, to be honest. But I mean, at that point, you're just losing all your credibility. You're losing all transparency. You're selling out. Let me tell you, affiliates have a nice gig on M1 Finance. So if you use a referral link like I do below, and then let's say I give you the link, you use the link, and you invest up to $1,000, or your portfolio gets to $1,000 at any point, I would get $100. That is an absurd affiliate link. And oh my God, can you imagine if all 55 I had that $5,000 in the portfolio? That would be amazing. But look, the point is you lose credibility, and there's so many YouTubers like that. You know, the financial educations where his stock picks are ridiculously bad. But here he is trying to promote education, and then he sells a course for $1,000. Are you kidding me? He already made a video explaining how he gets such little income from his actual stock trading, that it's such a small percentage of his actual income, that most of it's from like YouTube classes and entrepreneurial ideas, that like, why would you buy a $1,000 stock course from a guy who doesn't even make a majority of his income from stocks? It doesn't make any sense. This channel is fun and entertainment. Yeah, if I educate you, it's definitely not like super intentional. I'll say a few things here or there where if you're a beginner, you might not know. But look, like, I'm not going to say like, oh, you know, here's my portfolio. Look how great it's doing, blah, blah, blah. And then like 6 months down the road, hey, buy my course. Hey, support me on Patreon, which is bullshit for YouTubers, by the way. Hey, you know, buy all my shit. You know, I'm just so great and dandy, yet it's 1% of my income. I'm not ever going to be like that. This whole channel is transparency. It's honesty. It's no bullshit. That's the whole point of why I did Dividend Grinder, just to share my journey and to just give my opinions. Look, obviously I don't make money off of YouTube direct. I make it off of referral links. So obviously my subscribers love the message that I give with honesty, no bullshit. And I thank you for supporting me, but you're supporting yourself. You know, you got money using the referral link, and it wasn't a crappy Robinhood stock that they'll give you like Sirius or Zynga or Chesapeake Energy or any of that crap. So thank you so much for supporting the Dividend Grinder. I hope you enjoy my little rants that I go on occasionally. Today's definitely one of those rants. And I hope, you know, you continue to enjoy the channel. And look, if you want to use the referral link, if you have used the referral link, oh, I love you so much. You have no idea. No homo at all. Or is it semi-homo? I don't know. Whatever. I love anyone and anything that uses the referral link. Thank you so much. You have no idea what that means. By the way, I know I trash other YouTubers. Let me throw one out. PPC Ian. I know a lot of people who watch my videos already follow him. If you want to follow an amazing person who just, you know, there's no BS. He's extremely educational. PPC Ian for dividend investing, probably my #1 and only channel that I'll religiously watch, and I'm not embarrassed to admit that I watch for the education and not just to troll on my own channel. PPC Ian is great. I suggest you give him a follow if you already aren't. He's very educational. He's way more intelligent than me. He went to Stanford. He's a valedictorian living in the Bay Area. He's smart as hell. And I think he tries to actually hide back some of its intelligence in his video. So PPC Ian, give him a like. Give him a follow. Watch some of his videos if you haven't already. This has been the Dividend Grinder. I will see you guys in the next video.